I'm sorry for the break. We return you to your normal schedule where I show you how stupid everything can be. That makes sense? Roll the clips, roll the clips.
Fuck him, fuck him.
Oh, fuck him, 2 seconds. Okay, never mind, he's dead.
Uh-oh. Oh my god, we're so good. We're so good. We're so. Wait, come here. Come. Oh. Most normal duo.
You don't do it like this.
No one does it like this, honestly. What? It's winnable, dude. Digga, we can win. Oh my. I hate speaking. Something, you must be the goat. Okay. Oh! It's while you're not looking? You feel me, dog? What the fuck am I saying? This is not the TikTok waves.
What? Are you fucking dumb?
Yes.
Tell me what it is.
I just like reiterating it.
Okay, cool. No,
You actually got scared.
dude, I'm so glad you saw the vision, bro.
Dude, holy, you guys are so... Damn, wait a minute. You guys are actually on the same wavelength.
We're gonna start with the Reddit. What was Tarek singing part 2? I hate these.
What a beautiful melody.
What's happening?
Don't clip it. If you missed it, good.
I clipped it.
If you missed it, good.
I clipped it.
No, nothing happened. Why would you?
Yeah, so you know.
Yeah.
This is how it is.
I haven't admitted to joking off this.
Joking? Gosh.
Diego.
You didn't like we all know you do it. You didn't have to admit it.
I didn't
Diego.
know it though.
Diego, your size is enough. Be proud of yourself.
No.
What am I
You
hearing?
need to
I
be-
literally
Diego,
turned.
you
I
need to
turned
be
you guys
stroking
out.
your tiny ass, nasty
I'm
ass little
fucking
shit
tiny,
every
man.
day.
I'm
Okay?
fucking tiny. Is that what you want to hear? I'm fucking small.
I said thick. I'm pretty sure I said thick or chubby. I don't think I said fat.
I guess chubby might apply.
I mean-
here, yeah.
I don't remember you typing anything. The picture just energy boost. Thank you.
Yeah, I get it. You small play longer.
I wonder what happened though.
I'm gonna do my own thing.
I wonder if someone got fired.
Wait, why did they?
You need to serve all that? Does the goat respond? Yo, I should stop fucking killing. Dude, I'm gonna stop talking, dude. Sit. No. Omega lol.
Omega striker, my wrist.
Am I right, guys? Yeah.
Starts humping you.
Oh, okay.
The only way we can lose is if we don't believe in the power of.
I'm feeling the rhythm.
Dude, you just stop talking.
What? Wait, you're fucking goated. I must be in the zoo the way you be fucking goats, dude.
Where did the zoo come from?
That's where you fuck goats.
Damn. I mean, I feel like I can fuck goats anywhere. You feel me? Like what?
Why are you laughing about that?
I don't know, because I thought we collectively like ignored it, but then I guess I'm not like that slick, so. Fuck.
Disrespectful.
Wow.
How does it feel, fat man?
Damn.
Yes, that's rude.
Oh, my shit is slow.
Ow.
Okay, bro.
I'm so sorry. Yeah, we didn't even get it. I don't want it. Please, Juno, take it. Take it.
Oh wait, give me Castellas. Give me Castellas. Come on, Dooku.
Oh, you're definitely getting it.
Oh.
Wait. Wait. Facundo actually like came on the mic right now.
Princes in fucking Honkai.
Yeah.
I can believe it.
Dude.
John Kai.
Wait, I'm taking.
Yes.
Wait, you didn't take Castellas? Are you serious?
You see
Are you
who's
serious
next?
right now?
Oh, Honkai Star Rail has Sparkle, who's like a Persona reference, and Persona is a reference to JoJo. So by
Let's
like
go!
proxy, it's a JoJo reference.
No.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh. Ow. You barely avoided that shit. Fucking Michael Jackson like finesse, you know? Like a moonwalk. Nice. They did everything. Is the Sparky tin just that good?
We have leadership.
That's why.
You scored on yourself?
No.
But that was a crazy play. Yo.
No, you're crazy.
NT.
I'm gonna go jerk it. Let me know when we queue.
You fucking kill yourself.
I don't understand what's happening.
He got debuffed, so he doesn't know how to make a good hand.
Yeah.
All my
No.
Oh.
No.
Wait, the Luna actually saved it though.
You sound like Gabe.
What's my core doing?
Yeah.
I don't want it anymore.
Oh shit.
Dude, would jerking off even like work tonight? You're like, I have to like schedule an appointment with my dick. Hey, are you free? No. No. Please no.
Dude, I had to pause to like fucking like. I had to pause my show to fucking like face palm like so hard. Now you're gonna say like shoving something up your ass.
Why do you sound like that?
Yeah, why do you sound like that?
Oh, I was like rubbing my nose, so I think I sounded nasally.
Oh, okay.
I thought you were gonna say rubbing your cock.
Dude, you know, today in class we were talking about how like when like Asians were immigrating to America.
Uh-oh.
Okay, no.
Did you hear us so right now? Blink and you'll miss it. Bro,
not-
stop blinking. Now keep it on. I'm in the house like carpet.
Well, everyone steps on you. Brian,
Fuck it.
Brian's a little too silent.
It's too funny. It's too funny.
Too fucking stupid.
You gotta stop, bro. Stop. It's not even that funny, bro.